Good. Is it possible to identify which are those? Look at this picture carefully. See, some pictures I wrote on the board, right? See, is it possible to identify this? Yes, that is a book. Then, yeah, very good. That is a pen. Then, cat. This one you can identify very easily, right? Yes, this is a kite. Then, this one, yes, chair, right? See, why I wrote these all? Why I drawn these all the pictures on the board? Can you see? Yes. See, first I write these names below that picture. Okay. What is this? Book. Then this one, pen. Next, cat. Next, kite. Kite. Then this one, chair. Right? You know these all the name and spelling also you know very well. But here I wrote some pictures and its names. Okay? Book, pen, cap, kite, chair. Once you clear this all the picture in your mind. Book, how many are there? Only one. And pen? One. Cap, cat, chair. All the pictures are only one. Right? If it is a more than one book, I am introducing only one book here. If it is more than one, what you will write? Yes, you know very easily, right? That is the books. Books. Add S, right? Then, if it is a more than one pen, if it is a more than one pen, what you will write? Pens. Pens. If it is more than one cap, caps. More than one kite, kites. Right? Kites. If it is more than one chair, chairs. Right? Already you learned these all the things in your previous class. One more than one, right? If it is a one thing, you will point out only that one only. If it is a more than one, what is the change in between that? Yes, just add S, right? Here, they gave one and more than one concept for you. You can say very easily. What I showed here, one book, if it is more than one, books, pen, pens, cap, caps, kite, kites, chair, chairs, right? This all we can say the one and more than one, both are there. But picture is only one, but I wrote more than one, right? Okay, here page number 13, right? Page number 13. Yes, page number 13, one and more than one. Here they, like as a same that story only, math story only they gave. Where are you, my friends? Now they are in the park, right? They are telling, where are you, my friend? Math is calling others. I can't find them. I have money, so I can't call them. Oh no, if I had one wish right now, I had asked for my friends appear. If anybody is there in front of that, it will call everyone, right? See like that. But all are there. See, Mac, where are you? All friends are calling him only. Right? Okay, come to next. Naming words can talk about one person or thing. Right? No, you know that. Naming word, we can talk about one person, one thing, one place like that. For example, if it is a thing, girl. If it is a person, girl. If it is a thing, cat, animal, cat, box, like that you can see. Here they gave like that. Naming words can also talk about more than one person. What is that? This is a book. This is a book. Book is also naming thing, right? Naming name of the thing. So that is a book. If it is more than one things, what is that? Books, right? As I said, if it is a pen, this is also things. What I wrote, everything is things only. I can write one more. See, what is this? Yes, she's a girl, right? Is this thing or person? Is this thing or person? Yes, that is a person, right? If it is only one person, how shall I write? Girl. If it is more than one person, girls. Just add s, right? Girls. As the same, if it is any place, okay, that one also you can say more than one places like that. See here, naming word can also talk about more than one person or things are same as kind what they said. Girl, girls, hand, hands, cat, cats, box, boxes like that. When we want to talk about more than one of something, we add what? What we will add? Yes, we will add s or es. We will add yes or es, right? Okay, come to here. They gave one book picture. More than one means here four books are there. See, books. After book, they gave yes. Then watch. More than one watches? Yes, that is a watches. Right? See, like this type. What I wrote here as a same they gave here, right? First, A. Add S to these words. First, I'll read. I'll read only singular, one thing only. You must recall the one more. Okay. Brother, brothers. Right. Then second, duck, ducks. Repeat all these things. This all what I am telling now. Repeat after me. Okay, children? Brother. Yes, brothers. Very good. Duck, ducks. Tree, trees. Bat, bats. Coat, coats. Pocket, pockets. Bun, buns. Skirt, skirts. These are very easy, right? Just you add s. Means if add s means that is a plural form. Okay, here they gave all the single one. Only one. Single means only one. If it is more than one, you will add yes. Okay. Okay, come to next children. Yes, already you learned now, right? In first step, A main, they gave only yes part. Then add es to these words. Here below that, they gave some words. For this, you must add es only. You must add es only. Okay? Don't add only yes. If you add like that, you will get confused or that is wrong. Okay? First one, bus, buses. What you should add? What you should add here? Bus, more than one. Buses, B-U-S-E-S, buses. Then box, boxes. Just add es. See, only es. First what I told? Yes only. Now es. Okay. Then fox, foxes. See, for everything I add es only. Okay. Okay, next all. Kiss, kisses, mat, matches, glass, glasses, with, witches, wish, wishes. See here all you must add yes. Any doubt here? S and yes. Okay, next come to next page. Here next main. See, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Here both also they give. You only think and write the correct answer. Add S or ES wherever required. Okay. Here look at the picture and read the sentence carefully. If anywhere it need ES, add ES. If it is only one, add S only. Okay, first GT is going on a picnic. She packs a lot of food in the where? Which picture they give? Basket. If it is more than one, which one you will add? Baskets. Yes, what is that? Baskets. Just I add S only. Okay. Then next they gave an answer in bracket basket, right? If it is more than one, baskets. She keeps four. She keeps four. Which picture they gave? Apple. Apple. One is there or more than one apples are there? Yes. In bracket they gave apple, right? But here apples. Apples. Then and two dash. What? Which picture? Pear, right? Pears. More than one pears. She also keeps one dash. Which picture? In bracket they give. One dash of chips. Bag. In the bracket they give bag. More than one bags. Bags of chips. And two dash bottle of orange juice. Bottles. Right? I think you all understand this. Next, come to next main. We can also talk about many by changing Y. Y to IES. This is also different. See, yes, yes, already you understand. Then they gave, if it is Y, you must change it to IES. Okay. IES. This is the yes concept. Then ES concept. Now they are telling F to ESI. If it is F, you must add EIS. IES, okay. And then here they give some pictures and the name also. Baby, if it is a baby, see, BABY, baby. Y is there. If it is more than one baby, babies, right? I remove this Y and I'll write BABIES. What is said? Instead of this Y, I'll add these three letters IES for the plural form. Okay. Then come to next. Berry. Berry picture they give. Berry. More than one. See, berry means which letter will end of the word? Berry. Y, right? Y is the end of the letter. Here also. Which one you must add? Berries means which one you add? IES. BERRIES. Remove this Y and add IES. This is the plural form of this word. Berry, berries. Baby, babies. Like that. Here more changing words they give. Y to ESI. First one. D. Come to the D main. First one. Story. End of the letter Y, right? Story. Stories. Stories. Then city, cities, T-I-E-S. See, just remove that Y letter and add E-S-I. I-E-S. Okay. Remove this Y and add I-E-S. Okay. Next, come to many option. Others are there. The fourth one, army. End of the letter Y. Remove that Y and add I-E-S. Armies. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. Okay. Next, come to next man. Here one more changes are there. First, yes you learn, yes you learn, and then yes means Y to ESI over. Then come to next one. Another way to talk about more than one of something is by changing F to VES. You know that. This one you know very easily. F to VES. Or FE also is there. FE also is there. If it is FE, F or FE, you can change it to what? VES. Is it visible? VES. Why I am telling this all means, see this is one of the singular and plural. Just you will add S for plural form to the noun. Then noun to add plural form of es. This is also plural form. Then what? Noun to add ies. This is one of the plural form. Then if it is the end of the letter f or ef. For example, F, leaf, right? Leaf, if it is a leaf. For example, F, leaf, leaf. See, end of the letter F, right? If it is more than one, leaves, right? Leaves. I add this ves here. I remove this F in the plural form. Okay? Then knife. Another one example. Knife. See F-E. Right? But the pronunciation is same. Knife. Four letter will come. Right? F-E. Instead of this F-E, I will add the E-S. If it is more than one. See? Knives. Just a minute, children. Knife, I-V-E-S, right? Knives. See, knife, knives. Here I said only F, leaf. But here I am telling F-E, knife, knives. Okay? And then come to next one. They gave another one word. Loof, loofs, right? Many are they gave here. Calf, if it is, see, in below that one, E-main they are giving one more. Here, what? Many nouns they gave, you must add. This all the plural form VES. Okay? Use the rule above and add VES these naming words for this all. Calf. End of the letter F, right? C-A-L-F. Calf. See, instead of this, I am writing calves. Calves. See, like that. Shelf. Shelves. Hoof. Hoofs. Leaf. Leaves. Wife. Wives. Wolf. Wolves. Right? Like this type of plural forms are there. For every plural form, we will add to the naming word only. Okay? Name, if it is a person, thing, place, anything. Okay? Everything we will add this all. If it is a boy, person, boy, what? Just I'll add yes, boys. Right? Now this is a plural form. This is also we will add to the noun only. But one example for yes. Yes. Mango. Yes, you can add yes, right? Mangoes. Mangoes. Right? Then this one, story. What? Many I told home here. Story, lily. End of the nouns, if comes y letter, we will change into a plural ies. Don't get confusion, children. If it is the end of the noun, the letter is y. The letter comes y in end of the noun. We will change. Instead of y, we will write in plural form ies. Okay? Like this all word. Baby, babies. Berry, berries. Story, stories. City, cities. Like many words they give. Fly, flies. Army, armies. Like that. Then this is another one type of the plural form. Here, F or FE. End of the word. If it is a F or if it is a FE. What it will come in the plural form? VES. Okay, this is if comes F end of the noun, F comes or FE comes, its plural form you must add VES. For example, these many words they give. I wrote only this. See, leaf end of the letter F. How it will change? VES, leaves. Knife, knives. Calf, calves. Like that, many words they give. I think you all understood this all very well. If you have any doubt about this, you can ask in the evening class. Okay, children? These are all the plural form. Just we will add one to another. Means one is there. Means more than one boys. One mango is there. More than one mangoes. One baby is there. More than one babies. One leaf is there. More than one leaves. Right? But here just a change means just first one we will add just yes. Then yes. This is also plural form. This is also plural form. And if comes the y in the end of the noun, we will add IES. Okay, that is a plural form. Then, if end of the noun F or FE, if both will come, both will not come together. Like here, examples I give you like that. If comes F in end of the noun or FE, it will change in plural VES. Here, IES, ES, yes. This is all the one and more than one concept. If you have any doubts about this, you can ask in the evening class, children. Okay? I hope everyone understand this concept. You can write many examples also. Not only this, you can say different nouns also. You can add more. See, like place, person. Noun means what? You know, right? Place, things, person. These are the naming word, right? Those are all the things. If you want more than one things or person or place or animal, you can add s. If it need es, you can change it. If it need ies, you can change it. If it need ves, this all you can do it. I thought everyone got this concept very well. Okay, children, read this all the concept in your grammar book. Check once again. If you have any doubts, you can clear in the evening class. Okay, children. Thank you.